Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of Besan Burfi. On low flame in a pan add 1/4 cup of ghee, let it melt. Add 1 and 1/3 cup of Gramflour, 2 tablespoons of semolina. Keep stirring continuously. Roast it till it turns golden and aroma starts coming. If it's too dry, add ghee. Stir continuously. Once it starts leaving the sides of the pan, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar or as per your taste. Mix. Mix. Turn off the flame. Pour it into a greased mold lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly. Smoothen it. Garnish with chopped almonds and chopped pistas. Once it is semi-set, remove from the mold and cut. Besan Burfi is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.